You can download this from my Gumroad store. You can also check my other products. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. After download this from Gumroad, what you will get? You will get fire layer separately, smoke layer separately, and car layer separately. White also included, and this is emission of fire or reflection on the road. This is shadow. All these layers are separately. The benefit is that you have full control on each layer. Let me show you some with a quick tutorial. Let's suppose this is my background. You can add your own background like road, parking, and this is car. Here you can add color correction to car by a little bit. You can bright it up or dark it more or what you want. You have full control on this layer. This is the smoke. You have full control on the smoke. For example, I want to bright the smoke by adding curve. You can bright it without affecting any other object. If you want to change the color a bit, you can also change the color with some adjustments. And this is fire layer. Fire of explosion, car fire, and debris fire. Just only change the blend mode to screen and done. And now you have full control on the fire layer separately. For example, you can bright it up, you can add glow to it. For example, if I on this exposure, I bright it up, adding glow added without affecting the smoke and the car. This is the shadow pass. Shadow pass is also separately. You can darken it, brighten it, what you want. And this is the emission layer. Just change the blend mode to screen and done. Add some setting to it and done. Adding some exposure and glow and curve. You have full control on the separate layer. This is the benefit of downloading the pack. If you work with this single layer, downloading it from YouTube, then you have no control on it. I don't have proper background, but for try I use this just for example and check how it look like on the background. Amazing. You can bring your movie or any VFX effect to next level. Please like the video, share with your friends, and support me please. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Goodbye.